So today guys, I'm gonna show you this product. Is very useful product, and if you're looking something good quality but little bit cheaper, this is almost $60. I bought it from some supermarket. It's VOYE wireless doorbell. You can see VOYE wireless doorbell. And it's a 2 units, so you can put in 2 rooms, and then one the press button. This is upgraded versions, wireless system, super long receiving distance, environment friendly, energy saving systems. There you have some instructions where you can use it or where you can don't use it. Please use the good quality alkali batteries. Don't install this product in the sunny or rainy, so you can't. This is not waterproof. You can't use in outdoor, maybe in your flat outside the main door is okay. Transceiver and receiver use the same cords to match, so there is no problem for this connectivity. You have some instructions. Let's open the box. So some screws given here for your, you can attach in the wall or something. Have a 3-side double tap. You can use it also. So here is the unit. 2 receiving unit is the same. It's the sound. It's a low, mid, and high, and you can volume up and down, and you can put it in low, medium, and high. I'll show you. This is the press button transceiver. Please ring bell is written here. Some coming. And back you need the battery, double A battery, 2 battery here and 2 for this, and for this is battery is given inside, so no problem for this. And let's see what's if I put in low. So this is low, this is high, this is medium, so this is high, so this is the button. You can change the sound. If you have different melody sound or some kind of talking, I don't know, you can try different sound. This is the volume, kind of volume, so low volume, mid volume, high volume, like this. And this is the bell tone. You can change it pressing this one. So this is very nice. Thank you.